Oh yeah. Good morning, everybody. This is second and last day in Dusseldorf. So myself and Martin are going to hop on a train, an actual train, and head to Cologne to see a lovely church that apparently is open today, and it's supposed to be amazing. We're gonna head out that way, and then we're gonna head on the way back to a classic car museum and then jump to the airport. Our flight is at 9 o'clock tonight. It's 9 a.m. so we're gonna jump these trains, head out, have a bit of crack today, and then head home and get back to working on the garage and shit. So yeah, enjoy this maybe short little video of just travelling Dusseldorf and getting a few bits done. Genius. Fucking genius. Go PG Auto. So it turns out we're not going to Clown. The tickets are like 100 quid each, so absolutely not paying stupid money to go look at a church and then go to an airport. So we're gonna go and get Dunkin' Donuts and a coffee. Dunkin' Donuts! So yeah, instead of going seeing a big black church, we're just floating around random neighbourhoods, just walking around, going to this classic car museum on a gorgeous day, nice and warm, in our t-shirts, just chilling.
Chilling
Like a motherfucking villain. Now here we are, just a few random Ferraris sitting around. Lovely E36 up here I'm going to walk up and have a look at, while Martin's going down to look at some other classic Beamers. But very nice E36 LTW wing, nice front lip, nice wheels, caged. Wow, that's beautiful. And then a lovely Ferrari. I wouldn't mind having a go on one of those. Everyone walks around looking at the Astons and all the nice cars and the E61 wagon, and I'm here looking at this K10 Micro. Don't mind the 550. What?
It's a 550.
What is that in it then? Is that the
That's
Five-
the 4 that's the 4.8 litre V8.
Wow. I still want this though.
That's fucking.
Yeah, 550i, that's, you don't see many of them, but you don't see many of these either. And the old Daimler beside it. It's crazy just looking at silly cars just sitting in a car park, and we're going into a classic car museum. A few DBXs there, and then a rotten shell behind it. I've no idea what it is, but we will have a look. Maybe an Alpha with the triangle on the front, but not too sure. So yeah, let's make a move. We'll have a look inside and see what's inside. The wife's favourite little car. She wants to get another one, but I keep telling her no because they're like 15 grand. But then there's me, where I'd want one of these, but they're 30 grand, so no. Some serious cars parked outside. Look at that Alpha, that's pretty nice. And then you have a Panda, wow. Ferraris, Porsches, Corvettes. Oh, there's a smell in here that you just can't smell through a camera. It smells like leaky transmissions and oil leaks. Jesus. So yeah, cue the montage of cars with some funky music. Well, hello there.
DB12.
It's beautiful. Yeah, slant nose Porsche with a Ferrari beside it, and then all these brand new Aston Martins sitting here waiting to be sold. €250,000, which, to be fair, isn't bad. Just sitting over there, lovely Bugatti Veyron, dark brown over light brown. Some models are rare and expensive. That's one of them. That's a very cool free experience in Dusseldorf. So it costs you like €3 on the tram to get here, 10-minute walk from the tram, and then you can just walk in for free, have a look around, and no one hassles you. You don't need to talk to anyone, you just have to walk around and look at the cars. There is a bike section, but I'm not really into bikes. You can't fall off a car unless you're being silly, but to be fair, there are some nice cars that come in and out. Lovely brand new Audi TT, but look at this GSX 1400 Suzuki. It's like a mid-90s bike. It's beautiful. Oh yeah, it's not like sitting down with your mate in Germany having an alcohol-free beer because I don't drink. But this alcohol over here has been drinking all weekend. Fun times.
Has to be done, boys. Oh, fucking get into you, Cynthia.
So that's it. The adventure ends here. We're back at the airport. Martin's chilling there, having a cigarette. I'm chilling here, burning away. We've got scalded I did. It's so hot over here.
Yeah, no.
You have a big red head on you. I'm the same, big red arms. So yeah, that's it for the short little travel video. Still looking at that V12 LM X5. Yeah, buddy. Peace out. That sounds nasty. Shame we didn't get to hear that, but anyhow, peace out. See you in the next one. Say Teletubby, say night night.
Bye.